Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best guitar capos that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kyser Quick Change Guitar Capo. The Kyser Quick Change Capo is unique because you can adjust with one hand, which is ideal if you're already shredding some sick guitar licks. Moreover, its ergonomic design is comfortable on your hand and can easily fit any guitar neck or fret size. With the Kyser, you can quickly and easily switch keys with one hand while you play. Its slim profile comfortably fits the heel side and minimizes space on your fretboard when not in use. The Kyser Quick Change Guitar Capo is an excellent option if you're looking to take your sound to a whole new level. With its easy one-handed operation and resilient construction, this capo will help open up a world of new possibilities for your playing. Moving on at number 4, we have the D'Addario Guitar Capo. This easy-to-use capo fits most standard and acoustic guitars and is perfect for anyone exploring different sounds on their instrument. Thanks to its spring-loaded trigger design, you can quickly shift the key without moving the capo around the fretboard. Also, it has rubberized padding, so you won't have to worry that applying it will scratch your instrument. Additionally, it looks as good as it functions thanks to its modern design and smooth black finish. While you perform, it won't get in the way, and your hands will find it comfortable thanks to its ergonomic design. At number 3, we have the Sondery Guitar Capo. The clamp is easy to adjust, fits most fretboards, and can be adjusted for light or heavy strings. What about sound quality? It's designed to ensure your guitar stays in tune as you use it and won't interfere with the sounds of your guitar. With its impressive design, you won't have to worry about tuning, and it comes at an affordable price. If you're looking for a reliable capo that works on acoustic and electric guitars, look no further than the Sondery Capo. It'll help you unlock new sounds without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Taylor 6-string Guitar Capo. The Taylor 6-string capo comes in 3 colors, black, silver, and gunmetal, so you'll find one that fits your style. In addition to its excellent design, its spring-loaded mechanism makes it quick and easy to put on or remove your instrument. You can quickly switch between open and fretted tunings for various sounds. Another great feature of the Taylor 6-string capo is its adjustable tension dial, which allows you to customize each string's tension separately. With this feature, you can easily track down any buzzing or dead notes and ensure each string sounds as close to perfect as possible. And finally at number 1, we have the Shubb Guitar Capo. This capo features an adjustable tension control to quickly and easily get the right amount of pressure on your strings. Plus, the Shubb Guitar Capo's unique construction helps it to fit any guitar neck without slipping or warping. So you can always count on it to be in tune and sound great. It's also one of the few capos that can accommodate wider, odd-shaped fingerboards without extra effort. The price may be pretty low, but don't let that fool you. This little guy could be a great addition to your jam bag. So if you're looking for a good quality capo at an affordable price, try the Shubb Guitar Capo. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.